Okay, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So we have talked about what Oginkere said concerning China and Russia, right, and some other countries, and we have talked about the reaction of USB government and the warning from COS to make sure that Oginkere stop, yapping nonsense. But the reason why we are back again on the same issue is because Akparawa have something to say. Akparawa, Sonny. Archibald have something to say, and we are going to go through it. Sometimes in life, you need to, you know, it's good to know the person you are dealing with. But sometimes, even when you think you know that you already know the person, you may not know that that person is not what you think. I used to think that this guy have brain. I used to think that this guy is someone that one can trust, that somehow maybe he will represent properly and all that. But judging by what he's saying now, they can see that the guy have criminal mindset. The criminal tendency is very, very obvious, and he's not shying away from that. And the annoying part is that he's making fun of it when each time he commits this kind of crime. The way he presents his words will tell you that he drives joy in making sure that he frustrates the mission or the agenda of people. He drives joy in seeing that that things are going the way that shouldn't be, because he wants to see people angry. I don't know what his problem, but we're going to go through the video properly. Now, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. I expect you to at least, do what you can to support. Now, the screenshot you are seeing here now is from, Sonny Akparawa Sonny. And I think should I just zoom in more? Let me see. Let me go to the page and see. Because I want to make sure that you yourself, that you see it very, very, very well. Here is the writer from the man called Sonny Akparawa Sonny. So when you come here, because he's the one managing this page you are seeing here. So he's the one managing this page you are seeing here, this information media, whatever. This is their fallback republic page, okay, on X. It says Nigeria crying about brigade. Nigeria crying about brigade. Then here he says EMA accountability group crying about brigade. Then he said Honorable Fulani Ngozi crying of brigade. IPOB DUS Nigeria crying of brigade. Akparawa Sonny, he tagged himself, wishes to say that you to all. I don't know what I meant by that. Wishes to say that you to all for promoting. I think what she said, wishes to say thanks. Okay, not that. Wish to say thanks to you all for promoting brigade. To him, you are promoting brigade. He tagged this to his platform and Oginkere and other and Elias. He said, God bless Elias and Oginkere. Do you understand? Now, down here, he put something again. Said, Sonny Akpara, Sonny Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, not Sonny. Simon Ekpa was busy fighting Nigerian terrorists. Government, while DOS was busy fighting Simon Ekpa. Do you understand what he's trying to do here? He's trying to compare himself and themselves and PM. That's why he says Simon Ekpa was busy fighting Nigerian terrorist government, while DOS was busy fighting Simon Ekpa. Today, their ATM Oginkere is busy dealing with Nigeria. Dealing with Nigerian home and abroad. Wow. In Washington, why Ngozi, Emma, DOS, and Nigerian are fighting Oginkere, who is the strongest guy now. You see, this is what when I said that he has criminal tendency, like I believe you from this what you just saw now, you can now see reason why I say so. So it's not as if Kai report is just saying something out of context. You can now see it that Ogeke is dealing with Nigerian home and abroad. Dealing, nah, that he's dealing with Nigerian. And this is the reason why I said that to them, everybody is very stupid. That's exactly what these guys think. That people are so stupid that you can't even. I mean, we are unable to recognize ourselves. I don't know why he felt like that. So okay, we don't even know what Ogekere is doing, but they are telling us that he's dealing with Nigerian home and abroad. With what? How is he dealing with Nigeria? Ogekere. How? What exactly is he doing? Apart from having handshake, what is he doing? You said that he's the one that made Trump to put Nigeria as a country of particular concern. That Ogekere is the one that made it possible. Obvious lie. Very, very obvious. Let's continue. You know, these guys are, oh my goodness. This was something else, to be honest with you. Now, he's dealing with Nigeria home and abroad. And they are trying to remind us that this is what PM was, used to do, and people were fighting him. Tolas Naga. Just keep on lying to yourself. Keep on lying to yourself. Because everybody can see through all you are doing. There's nothing to hide anymore. Now here, let me zoom this a little bit because I noticed that the font seems to be small. Okay. Now here you have, it said any individual or group. This is message from the COS. Then they screenshot it and put here, God bless Ogekere and Elias for Biafra. Jokers. You come down here, they copied it again. He don't want to talk about the criminal case here. Then he now covered it with God bless Ogekere and Elias for Biafra. But down here you can see it. His criminal record of Ogekere, well stipulated, well mentioned. You can see it. It is very, very clear. Then Akparawa saw it and decided to use another write-up to cover it. Did he talk about it? Of course not. Now, let's go to, before I come back to this conversation, let me share with us, let's go through this one and see. Are they the same information? I think they're the same. They are the same. The same write-up, okay. So let's go to the comment then. All right. Here, this is the first comment. Although they are not so much, just few. Self-determination is yours, said defunct Briggy. You are the one crying. See the memo you wrote out of frustration. Remember this memo. This memo here. That they started calling PM names and not that not John. Very bad people. I think let me zoom that. Let me save it so that you will see it clearly, because here the message is very, very small. But before I bring that memo to show you what this brother that actually called his attention to remind him that, because he said that the Nigerian government is crying, everybody is crying for Ogekere, crying because they sent the warning to him. He's doing that just to tarnish the work of other people, when he knew very, very clearly that he's not doing anything. Young Money said win-win-win to Biafran, bringing over and Biafran defense forces, BDF, BLA, whatever. Okay, you come here again, because this is how they lie. Win-win-win. I forgot if we win the one. Simon Ekpa, the lead, said the Honorable Gogoro Fulani, the Georgia psychiatrist, the whistleblower and her foolish Alamajiri followers must continue crying as the great people of Biafra continue the needful. The criminal Honorable Gongoro will continue crying until she is totally vanished. You have already vanished. You know that you have vanished. This is how they always cause themselves. Always causing themselves. And when the thing begin to happen, and they could not look like a but you are the one calling for your downfall. Now, you wrote nonsensical thing here, and you just decide to solidify that by laying curse on yourself. Now you they do yourself, nobody they do you now. You are your own problem. Very, very clear. Very, very, very clear. Now, like I promised to bring this okay, I think let's go to another comment before. This person said saying that breaking the two saboteur from Akpakibia Oron in homeland are currently on space with the coup plotters attacking our APM. They cry, they will they no go stop soon. But guess who they attacking? COS. Dojo. Paulinus said, it is high time you people should know and remember that there is division of labor. Okay? Ekere Olueke. Now, here, this one says, instant late. Skip the wait. I don't know what you mean by that. Skip the wait. Start today. Get started today. And this one sounds like advertisement. So this one sounds like advertisement. Let me just forget about it. And Nwada Maria says, he said, this is okay. Another person still said, God bless University of Biafra and DPM to Tongosa represent God told me if it Ijowa. Okay, as they are crying, you are pumping this kind of message for them to cry more. Body. Now let me bring to you that's a picture that I supposed that I where is it now? Just a moment. Let's go to file so we can read it sharply before we end this this video. I am trying my best to streaming download. Yeah, here we go. Here you go. Now let me quickly share the screen so that it will make more sense. All right. Let me quickly share it for you to see that. All right. So this is the come up. Now let us get that part because the person said that if you when you're saying that people are crying, are you not the one that wrote this message here? Look at it. It's full of cry, tears, and bitterness. Brigi wishes to ask Mr. Ekpa to show us any evidence of progresses that Ms. Ngozi has achieved for Biafran people since after convention. Ms. Oraveze sabotaged the Biafran Defense Forces, BDF, including brandished them criminals and fraudulent. Ms. Oraveze sabotaged the IOU loan, telling them that IOU loan is not a scam. Mr. Ekpa with entire cabinet of Brigi, including some same Ms. Oraveze, had guaranteed the France of the IOU loan, hoping to be rewarded accordingly when Biafra is fully achieved. And now seeing Ekpa supporting Ms. Oraveze on labeling it a scam is questionable. Ms. Orabeze hijacked Biafran database website with all Biafran citizens' data, and now they are illegally um, auctioning the database for over $10,000. Ms. Orabeze is printing fake identity card for Biafrans. Ms. Orabeze now leak our Biafran identity card information on social media, which Biafrans are asking EPA if this is what he promised Biafran to do with their information on the database. This is betrayal to Biafrans people, having imposed confidence on them. Ms. Iorabeze now also officially has recruited non-saboteur Ebubago, as well as posting out names and banking account of Biafran in Nigeria online, which caused some of Biafrans to be tracked by Nigerians. I mean, that's what I mean by. So all this nonsense this guy is really here. What they wrote here is what do you call it, if not tears? But he's here saying that people are crying. What is more cry than this? This is just part of the message. This is just part of it. Okay, if you can go up here, you see more of them. All right, but this is just part. The one that where they started, insulting PM and all that. One of the reasons why IOU loan is being perceived as scam is because the man in charge of course, who put his account don't want to reveal amount received, but he want you to maintain the promise that PM promised Biafrans that this is that, and he knew that. That's why he's taking advantage of it to commit nuisance. If they donate the money to you, of what use would the money become? Because you say that you're in charge of BLA, until now you are unable to even maintain BLA. So everything that you claim that you're in charge, you have been, zero performance. You understand? So just tell me what you think about it. I would like to hear from you, because this kind of claim and lies need to be stopped. And so Akparawa have proven that he is nothing but a common Oyoshi, because for him to say what he said and make his choice very, very clear, goes to tell you the person who he is. And judging by the write-up here, he is aware of it, and he's the one that read it out publicly. I don't know who put it down, but the person that put it down actually put it down on behalf of all of them. So whenever they want to show, stick out their nose, remind them of what they have done. Anyway, thank you so much, and God bless you. I would like to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye for now.